today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
So we did a little wheeling in Richloam Forrest, and my son was driving. We got a little stuck. Yeah, this was a good trip. Definitely. When you can go that many miles and you don't see anything, it's a good ride. Proper stuck. You want me to get in the driver's seat?
Oh, there's no air here.
You did it now, Andrew. He's stuck. That was a good one. A little muddy. I don't have much tread left on my tires, but thank God for winches. Not a helicopter's after us.
Oh, is there something flying behind us right now? It looks just like a police helicopter.
There he is. That was a fun trail anyway. Oh, it's a gopher turtle tortoise. Oh, he wants some of you. He's heading right to you. We don't want none, Mr. Tortoise. We'll go right around. Now for this worst part of mudding. There. Cleanup's the worst part. My tread's getting a little low. Just a wee bit. It's time. Compared to what they were when they were new. Yeah, I'd say so. Now let's take a stop at the Ocala Petting Zoo. One of my wife's favorite places.
Yep, from the Emperor's New Groove.
Yeah. Come down here.
You need to go. And his name is Bongo. Her name is Chicha.
Come on, lady, give me some. Let me just put my hand in there.
I just love the little hands. They're so soft. Look, I'll just get my own.
Make it easier for you? Ouch.
Easy.
You don't want any more?
Everybody gotta go easy. Everybody gotta go easy.
He's surgical. Look at him.
They have a lot of animals you can interact with. They have boars, llamas, Shetland ponies, donkeys, an old tortoise, a kangaroo, and a big old camel. We're all getting hungry, so let's take a ride over to Elevation 89 in the Ocala International Airport.
It's an international airport, it says.
It is?
Yeah, I didn't know that.
I didn't know that either.
Yes, I didn't either. Elevation 89 restaurant and airport in Ocala.
World's Equestrian Center. Did you know that?
No. Oh, Thanksgiving buffet. Oh, that's pretty nice. I thought it would be upstairs. Are you on 3?
Hello, how are you guys doing?
Good.
How you doing?
Wonderful. My name's Riley. I'll be taking care of you. Have we
Thanks.
decided on some drinks, or do we need a few minutes?
I'm gonna try the Wagyu beef sliders. Got yum yum sauce.
You did like a chicken sandwich. You could have it tossed in like a hot wing sauce.
That's a good idea.
Pilot leaving. And I think he's pumping the poopy out. He just got a tip. That's their flights, huh? Someone's inbound. Couple coming in. One leaving. Nice place in here.
Captain's Burger.
They look pretty good.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Those are the sliders. They look actually pretty good. And that's the Captain Burger. That's pretty good. And Mama got a salad. Alright, how was it?
That was a very good salad. I'd give it a 9.
How about
Great. Caramelized onions, which you don't normally get. So, pretty good. 7.
7 again? Yeah, mine was probably a 8.5. It was pretty good. Never had it before, but it's good. And we got dessert coming.
You ever had a kemosabe burger?
No. The sauce was pretty cool on the fries. It was nice. Spicy. Look at the size of those. Wow. There's a big brownie. Jeez. Hope my cheesecake's that good. Oh, it's not as big as our brownie. I was like, I hope it's cheese.
You guys enjoy, okay?
Thanks. Thank you. I should have got the brownie. That's cool. Well, that was a great day. Time to make our way back to Crystal River. I'm sure Gizmo's waiting to go out. Squirrel in there. Oh, you're too fast.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.